So, a lot is happening with Virgin Galactic, and I'm telling you in this video why I'm super committed and I'm super happy and super excited for the future of Virgin Galactic. So, stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. So let's talk about space. When the current news headlines are absolutely smashing some of the conviction of some YouTubers out there, as well as investors, as well as subscribers, and so on, I want to emphasize why I'm still holding on the space slash Virgin Galactic stock that much. The story is insane. I mean, think about it. The company was developed by Richard Branson, seeing the X Prize winner, which was a huge achievement, guys. This was the very first project, private project, that sent out the same vehicle that had to have 80% of all parts the same, identical, to send to space or low orbit twice, and they did it, and this was a huge success. And therefore you see that I'm so happy for them, because it was just a journey since then. Okay, a lot of engineering had to be done, this have to be safe, and the most important part is also that they are already working on the second product, right? I mean, the tourism company itself, the space sector of this company is absolutely fantastic and so unique and so fundamental great as a niche starting product, that I think they are doing all the things right as of now. Okay, yes, there's maybe some questions. Do they do the right marketing? What about the PR? Why they don't inform more about the test flight, or what happened after the test flight? Actually, no, they did. Right? Just because you want to have all the details, they never do it. No company is doing all the details, what they are doing behind the scenes, guys. So, you know, they are working, and I'm sure, I'm guaranteeing you that they are working already on a new date, working very hard. I saw this, you know, in Reddit, where people working for this company before said, you know, this is one of the hardest working companies and stuff out there that you can be in. So, you know, they are missing soccer games by their children just to create a fantastic experience for people out there. So I think this is the mentality that you want your money in, and therefore I'm super bullish still. Second of all, I want to make sure that you understand that Shamas, for example, with his selling, was a liquidity situation. He wants to invest up to $2 billion in projects in 2021, and therefore he just sold and skimmed a little bit, I think, all of his positions. Okay, just we don't know it yet, because some of them are private ventures where he actually cannot get the money outright. Some are Bitcoin. We don't know if he skimmed also his Bitcoin position, and then Virgin Galactic as well, right? I mean, this gives him $95 million fresh capital that he can invest into his new specs, and therefore he preserves as the spec king in 2021. Moreover, he has this brand new products, or projects rather said, where he want to you know, invest in emerging markets and so on and so forth. So I'm super excited for the future, and this will not give me any sign that the fundamental story at Virgin Galactic changed. But let's dive into the next category. So there's much more to the Virgin Galactic opportunity. So first of all, you need to understand that it's a very interesting market. It might be the biggest market of them all. Okay, forget about the e-commerce market, about the health market, the travel market. The space market in, you know, a couple of decades can be one of the biggest out there. And having a player that started with, you know, the pleasure factor of space travel and then moved into much bigger projects will be just this incredible story out there. Okay, remember that, for example, Tesla had the same. They had a very niche product, which was the sport electric car. You know, people didn't have the facilities to charge everywhere, you know, so it was a very niche product, but people thought, you know, the potential of such a product, because Elon Musk said we need to start with a sport car that shows the world that not only electric vehicles are fast, but they're also sexy. So they took it as first project and then went into the more mass market with the Model S and then X, and then finally with the Model 3 and Y. And it happened so fast that it seems like it was just a blink of an eye. And exactly this will happen with Virgin Galactic as well. Let them finish the start of the commercial operation, and then you will see that actually the most important part here will be the future product. And we know what one of the product will be. It will be a private jet for 19 passengers that will fly London, New York in 90 minutes, guys. Okay, this will be insane. This will be such a great product, and I think that this is just the future where Virgin Galactic is heading. It's a fantastic way to start. You know, I hope that we will have some information about this product in the next couple of quarters. I would just love to see a first prototype of this super fantastic jet that they are developing now behind the scenes. And I think that, you know, the CEO, Michael Kogler, is just the best one for the job right now. And then you have, you know, George Whiteside more into the development of the next product, which was a fantastic move. And the investors loved this move, obviously. So you saw this great push into the stock over the last couple of weeks, which, you know, it's just a matter of great milestone delivery. Okay, you have this milestone over the next couple of months, you know, test flight, Richard Branson flight, and as more boxes we take, as more credible this company will get. And then it always happens, guys, and I always get the same messages. Once Virgin Galactic goes high, then the people text are like, oh, I wish I would invest more, I missed it, or I sold before. And then when it's going down, they say, you know, I'm losing credibility, they should update us more, and so on and so forth. So guys, either you believe in the company long term and then you just keep going and keep the ball rolling, or you are trying to get the best price, which I'm telling you from now will not happen. Okay, you are not Nostradamus, and actually it's very hard to be always right, even with the greatest technical analysis, with the great, you know, overview of all news. You know, if some patterns happen into the chart, there's no way, absolutely no way that you can predict the right up and downs of a stock. Doesn't matter if it's space or other stocks, it's just not happening. Okay, no one in the world did this before, and I'm telling you, you won't be the first one. So don't try to time the market. I think it's, you know, I have friends that I talk to, and you know, suddenly once they tried to time the market and short a couple of stocks and went into a couple of stocks, they came back to me and say, you know, Danny, you told me about this long-term investing, and you were so right. If I had kept my position, then I would be so much more wealthy than trying to go in and out of stocks. And you know, that's the thing, guys. That's the thing. Just find companies that you are really, really, really happy about, that you think that this is a great product, a great network effect, and you know, much more coming obviously in my 10X Masterclass, which I will launch in a couple of days before Christmas. I hope you will join me there, and it will just be a fantastic blueprint how to find the next 10X stock. So I'm super excited. I hope you too. And yeah, that's about my conviction. It stays. Nothing happened that changed anyhow, and I'm super committed and excited, like Shamas would say, to the future of Virgin Galactic. This company is a high conviction trade of me, and I'm just love this kind of investments, you know, with such mode, with such a team, with such hard working stuff. And you know, the tourism section is just the beginning, guys. It's a fantastic brand, it's a fantastic company that can make so much more, and therefore I'm super excited. I hope you too, and I see you obviously tomorrow.